Hi guys, good morning. It's Monday today. I wake up early about 6:45. Gumising ako nung pagising ni Mister kasi study time. Yung mukha ko ngarag. Alam mo yung pagising mo tapos pagbuklat mo ng aklat ng book mo, super stressful, my God. Study pa more. Si Mr. ayun na pumasok na sa work. Pero ako ito, I'm stuck with my book. Pahirapan na yung questions. This is my last book. So, sobrang sakit sa ulo. Yung mga question, duguan ng utak. But hopefully, I will finish this kasi last book ko na to. And I don't know if I can get another course. So, yes, I managed to answer 2 questions lang. And I think that's it for today kasi sobrang hirap. Lahat ng question is explanation. So, it's a bit nosebleed piste. I study pa more. Hindi naman masyado maraming question niya, pero basta masabi ko, this last book is really hard. Si James, ayun tulog pa. Hindi pa ako nag-almusal. No coffee yet. Kasi inuna ko to. And I think now I'm gonna get some coffee. Yung oras is 8:15 na. So, sa mahigit isang oras, 2 question lang nasagot ko. Jesus name. Weather-wise, today here is a bit gloomy. Hinaan ko yung boses ko kasi yung anakis ko tulog pa. And where I sit down, sa taas nito is bedroom namin. So, maririnig ako kung lakasan ko yung boses ko. Gagawa na lang tayo ng coffee. I-on ko yung kettle. Nagbabad pala ako kagabi ng munggo para hapunan ni James mamaya kasi favorite to ni James na maraming spinach. Kasi ako, may tira pa akong pad thai yesterday. I made pad thai yesterday. Tapos may tira pa, baka hapunan ko rin to mamaya. Ayan yung sobra. So baka hapunan ko to or maybe magmunggo din ako. Kasi gusto ko rin yung munggo eh. Lagyan ng maraming spinach. Kasi yun ang gusto ni James. Mung bean with a lot of spinach. So ayan, ibuboil ko muna yung kettle. Maingay ito. Magko-coffee ako. Coffee tayo. Para makapag-shower ako bago magising si James. Ayan, coffee tayo guys. I got my healthy coffee here. Tapos, mag-cup noodles lang ako. Para hindi na ako mag-lunch mamaya. Kasi pag nag-breakfast ako, hindi ako nagla-lunch. Pag hindi ako nag-breakfast, wala akong lunch. I got my favorite Japanese cup noodles. Suba. Masarap to, promise. Fave ko siya. So, yan lang yung ating almusal. And then, after nito, pwede na ako mag-shower while Baba is still sleeping. Kasi nagigising yung anakis ko mga sometimes 9:30 or 9:15. Nagigising yun. So, I still got time to have a shower. Mainit pa yung kape ko. Yummy. Opo tayo. Sumakit talaga ulo ko sa pisting book na yun. Parang uulan yata hindi mai-enjoy ni James yung kanyang tent. Mahangin. Pakita ko pala sa inyo yung view ng tent niya. Ayan guys, pag dito ka sa kitchen, makikita mo yung tent. Mahangin sa labas, oh. Sumasayaw yung puno. It's a bit gloomy. It said in the weather forecast it's gonna be sunny. But I don't think so. It's gonna be sunny. Look at the clouds. It's all black. Masaya yung mga halaman, oh. Sumasayaw. Kain tayo. Yung cup noodles ko, nilagyan ko ng unting Igis chili oil. Sarap. Na-addict talaga ako sa garlic chili oil na yan. Masarap kasi siya. Tapusin ko lang to para makaligo na. Yung kape ko, kalahati na lang. Somebody's awake. Gising na siya. So ngayon, papakainin ko na siya ng brekkie. He want to go out already. Gumising siya mga 9:30. So ngayon, it's 10 to 10 na. Pakainin ko muna kasi parang nagugutom at gusto nang lumabas. Maglaro. Hindi kami makalabas-labas masyado kasi I tried to contact this bloody virgin. Yung namin, internet provider. Kasi magda-downgrade kami. Sobrang mahal na yung kanilang internet. So, goodbye na. Magda-downgrade kami ng medyo mahina na. Ang mahal kasi. Na siya, 150 pounds, which is gonna be like 10,000 pesos, I think, a month. So, sobrang mahal na. So, magda-downgrade kami ng medyo mura. Siguro ibaba namin ng mga 3K. Ang laki ng kaibahan. I try to get hold to them, pero wala. Yan ang ayaw ko dito. Kasi yung machine, answer machine, sobrang tagal. Nakakaurat. Nung Friday pa ako, last Friday ako nagsimula mag-contact. Hanggang ngayon, I can't get through to them. Ang hirap. Siguro ayaw kami paalisin itong pisting bundle na to. Pero it's too expensive. Kaya mag-downgrade kami. Oy, don't play the telephone, please. Put it back, please. Come on. Naboboring na to, oh. Yeah, open it then. Good boy. Come on. Don't moan. Is it spot in the rain? Okay, come on, go. Come on, go up to the tent. Naglalaro na to siya kanina eh. Kaso biglang, umulan saglit. Pero hindi naman yung malakas na ulan. Ambon lang. Doggy's waiting here. Yung kanyang teddy, blanket, diba? Tong batang to. Are you happy now? Okay. Happy? It's a bit chilly though. Isn't it? Mommy's gonna go in the cabin and start spotting the rain now. Ready? Yeah. B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo has his name. Oh, yay! Clap, clap! Well done! Mwah! Ito na yung ulam namin ni James. Ginisang munggo na maraming kamatis. Tapos mamaya, lalagyan ko ng isang pack na spinach. looks yummers. Tapos na ako magluto, guys. And finally, dumating yung parcel. So, i-unbox natin siya. At ito pala, sabi ni Mr., it's a treat pagpasa ko sa aking previous book. So, I got a reward. May reward ako from Mr. It's from Tumi Figure. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yes, that's from them. Ewan ko kung paano to buksan. Parang ang hirap niya buksan, beshi. Ayun, sirain na lang natin, beshi. Wow, ha? Grabe ka sealed. Dito na lang sa bottom. Sobrang sealed yung nila, bag. Secure na secure. Ta-da! It's a bag. Wow! It's a crossbody bag. Sirain na lang natin yung bag. Wala siyang dust bag. Ang color niya is navy blue. Ang cute. Pang everyday bag ko. Thank you. Oy, thank you my love. Oh, wala pala dito. Ang cute niya. So, ayan. Tapos, yung loob is ganyan. Parang malaki yung space. Marami siyang laman malagay. I-try natin. See how it looks like. Kasi siya crossbody bag. Sirain na lang natin to. Total gamitin naman. Ang cute. Pang everyday use lang. Try natin. Ganito siya. Yay! That is look like. Yung niya, quality is, yung material is parang nylon. But, really looks strong. So, yan, ang cute. This is size small. Cute niya. So, yan. May bago tayong bag. So, yun guys, ang ating bag. I'm really happy kasi I can easily put my camera. Hang on a minute, I'll show you. Kasi look at this. Diba? I can easily put it. Kasi kung dala ko tong camera and then I got tripod or else the tripod I'm using now, sobrang kasi, malaki. At saka yung isang bag ko na dinadala, a little bit small, yung guest ko na bag. So, sabi ko, kailangan ko ng medyo, a little bit bigger. So, this one is perfect size if I bring my camera. So, mga, like wallet, power bank, so which is really handy. Extra battery for my camera. So, this bag is perfect kasi kasya lahat. And I'm so happy. So, yun ang ating video today. So, update ko pala kayo sa pagtawag ko sa internet provider namin. Until now, I can't get through. So, try again tomorrow. And andito na si Mr. I think we can have our dinner now. And I'm gonna end this vlog as well. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in the next one. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa aking mga bagong upload. And hope to see you next time. Stay safe, everyone. Bye for now. Bye, sweetheart. Come on. Bye-bye. Bye. Mwah.